Standard. There you go. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're looking at number 79, this guy. And I'm going to read it to you, okay? So the following functions are also quadratic functions, but they're not written like we're used to seeing it, right? We're used to seeing something like 4x squared plus 6 minus 1. This is written a little bit differently.
What is this?
Right? But it's still a quadratic function. So we're going to verify that both equations are quadratic functions functions by writing them in standard form. Remember the order of operations. We just talked about that. So how could you verify in your calculator that you rewrote the functions correctly? So way up at the top, if you have room, I just want you to write this. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And this is standard form. So when it's saying verify by writing them in standard form, this is what your final thing should look like, okay? Okay. So let's do part I. We have y equals 3 times 2, or x minus 2 squared minus 5. Using order of operations, be careful, what do you think we need to do first?
Oh, you know, like distribute the 3 and
So actually, what does x minus 2 squared mean? Exponent. Good. What does x minus 2 squared mean?
there's 2 of the x minus 2's.
Emma, great. There's 2 of the x minus 2's. So what this is going to look like is this. I'm not doing anything yet with math. What this is called is expanding.
Oh.
I'm just expanding this from the squared to this. And what I like to do first, since we're kind of used to it, I'm going to distribute this to this first. Okay? So what is x times x? X squared, and then x times negative 2. Minus 2x. Okay? And then negative 2 times x, negative 2x. And then negative 2 times negative 2 is, this is all in parentheses, times 3 minus 5. So I'm keeping these in one big parenthesis. Okay? And I'm going to show you why. We do. But what I want to do first inside here, oops, sorry, this should be an x. What I want to do inside here is combine my like terms. So here are my like terms, right here and right here. What is negative 2x minus 2x? 4x. Sorry, I should keep this. And not 4x, but negative 4x. Awesome. Good teamwork. Do you want to go get a drink?
No, I'm good.
You're good? Okay. So I just combined these two to negative 4x. So now what's my next step using order of operations? Good. I'm going to distribute this 3 to all 3 of these terms. So what is what is 3 times x squared?
3x squared.
3x squared. What is 3 times negative 4x?
Negative 12.
Plus 12. Good. But don't forget at the end. And what is 12 minus 5? We're going to combine our like terms.
7.
Yep. So our final answer is y equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 7, which is the form we wanted it in. Some number times x squared plus x plus a constant.
That took a while.
It did. It's a little tedious, but keep in mind, as long as we're expanding right, we're still adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. That's mostly what we're doing. Yes,
When
Kason?
have ever asked us to expand it and then solve into that and then make that into a problem?
I don't think so. No. I don't think we'd make them expand and factor it.
Non-algebra 1.
Algebra 2.
Absolutely bet.
So in your groups, go ahead and do part double I. Double I. This guy is double I up here.
Ms. Weber, why do teachers always give the example of the easier one? Like, they give the easier one, and then you have to do the harder one. Boo.
That one's not much harder. It's the same thing. There's just a negative out in front.
Oh.
That's pretty much the same thing. You got a positive on the inside.
I'm just saying, like, in general, like, this,
Oh.
like how it is in math.
I know. I'm sorry.
That's right.
We're trained to do that. Actually, have you guys ever heard of like the, oh no, you probably haven't, but usually we do an example, and then as a group we do an example all together as a class, and then we have you do the next one. So by that time you've already done 2. So that's why it gets a little bit harder. This one's not too bad though. Hey guys, I'm going to give you like 1 minute to finish this one up. Good. So this guy? So all I want you to do, just like we did here with this, so we're going to write 2 of those. So negative 2 times x plus 4 times x plus 4 plus 3. Almost. I want to go over this and then one more thing with you.
Nope, I'm not confused. I got this.
I'll give you guys the first step.
Bye-bye. And then this is gonna be like this week.
We'll go home.
Where do we get? Y equals. Where do we get? Thanks. I don't know where my key is. You got a different one. I want you, Patrick. You and George to talk and see who's right. See.
I got y equals 2x squared plus 4.
Ooh, this one. Okay. Good?
Sorry, I did something wrong. Oh no, I forgot this part.
Good.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're fine.
This is 8. And then you just, I don't know, it's just, you combine like terms or,
Good. Combine your like terms.
so is x squared going to be like x to the 4th power?
Oh, careful. So,
So there's 2x squareds.
there shouldn't be. So x times x is x squared. What's x times 4?
4x,
Now we're moving on to this 4. 4 times x is.
4x,
So this guy, this extra x squared. And then what's 4 times 4?
8.
No, what's 4 times 4?
Oh, times 4, that's 20. Not 20. So, 16.
16. So you're going to have x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. Good. Hey guys, this is your answer, so write this one down. Even if you didn't get all the way through, write that answer down. And then... So careful, there's a negative 2 out in front. Yep. Okay, so you have about a page and a half for homework. Yep.
Page and a half.
Oh, hey, Kason, I lied to you. You're going to do that in this guy. But it's not too bad.
What the?
So on number 80, you have to write in standard form first, and then you're going to factor it. But hey, guess what? You have all weekend. We don't see you till Tuesday.